In this video, you'll learn how to transfer USDT from Binance to BingX step by step. Let's get started. First, open both your Binance and BingX apps and make sure you're logged into your accounts. Now, go to the BingX app and tap on the Deposit by Crypto option on the home screen. Once you're there, choose the Deposit option. Next, select the currency you want to deposit. In this case, search for USDT and select it. Then, choose the deposit network. You can pick any supported network, but I recommend using BNB Smart Chain BEP20 for lower fees. Once selected, tap on Get Address. Once you tap on Get Address, your deposit address will appear. You can either scan the QR code or simply copy the address. Once you've copied the BingX USDT deposit address, open the Binance app and go to your spot wallet. Here you'll see your available USDT balance. Tap on USDT, then select Withdraw. Choose Send via Crypto Network. On the next screen, paste the BingX deposit address. Select the same BNB Smart Chain BEP20 network and enter the amount of USDT you want to send. Once you've double-checked the address and network, tap Withdraw, confirm the transaction, and complete the security verification. After a few minutes, usually 3 to 4, you'll see the USDT reflected in your BingX wallet. And that's it. That's how you can transfer USDT from Binance to BingX. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.